The devil said, if you be the Son of God. Now, what are you people arguing with the devil about and disputing with the devil about after the Father has spoken from heaven and told you who you are? You're my son. Even if you did go to the pig pen, it doesn't matter. The moment you turn your face to the Father's house, the Father runs to meet you. Not walks, but that's why I tell them in my church, don't ever sing that lie about you can't hurry God. The Bible said the Father ran. Didn't walk. Didn't stroll. Ran. I know it's metaphorical, but it tells you something. The moment you turn your face to God, the Father forgives you. He doesn't remember where you've been. He doesn't care. It only matters that you came home. All right, I'm finishing. Everybody stand. We're going to pray this prayer. We're going to pray this prayer. If you be. There's no, repeat this after me, and this is the healing prayer. There is no if about who I am.
There is no if about who I am.
My Father has already told me who I am.
My Father already told me who I am.
The light has already shined on me.
The light has already shined on me.
And knocked me off of that beast self-consciousness.
Knocked me off of that beast self-consciousness.
Knocked me off of that sin self-consciousness.
Knocked me off of that sin self-consciousness.
And I have heard the Father say to me in self-revelation, I am Jesus. Who do I say that I am? I am the Christ, the Son of the living God. All things are given to the Son. That's me. The consciousness of my divine one-ship, sonship. Is the kingdom of God. And his righteousness. In which all things are already added unto me. I don't have to get anything anymore. It's already here. I've got it. I am that I am. And so right now I fully and freely forgive myself of all illusions of sin. Of all illusions of not being worthy. And I say with Jacob, I am the Son. I am the one who deserves all of the goodness of God, who deserves all of the blessings of the Father. And so right now I throw away all of my guilty hang-ups. Come on, throw them away. Throw them away. Come on. Throw them down. Stomp on them. Walk on those snakes and serpents. And I throw away all of my undeserving attitude. Come on. Throw them away. Walk on those serpents and stomp on those scorpions. Never again. Will I if with the devil. I listen only to Jesus. I deserve all of God's goodness. I receive all of God's goodness. right here, right now. I will not let the thief steal it from me. I receive it this day. This day. This day. This day. This day. This very day. This very moment. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. I am good health. I am the joy of the Lord. Woo! You're hitting that key. You're hitting that key. You're hitting that key. I am divine love. I am success. Don't worry about this extra hour you've spent already. You get more out of this hour than you will out of another 20 years of work. I am prosperity. Open your mouth and say it. Open your mouth and say it. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. Let the redeemed of the Lord say so. I am money. I am infinite money. In every form and amount. Every fashion and modus operandi that I need and want and infinitely more. More than enough. Now listen, I'm going to pass the mic to the bishop. As I do, I want you to do this. You're going to bless one another, you see, because again, you get what you give. That's all. So, you're going to turn around, bless as many people as you can, back to your seat, and wherever, just bless everybody that you can get to and say, the God in you is more than enough. More than enough. Go ahead.
Reverend Ike's best-selling Science of Living Study Guide is available now in paperback and digital format. This is the book that has taught millions to use the power of their own thoughts to manifest good health, happiness, love, success, prosperity, and money. Get your copy now and start using your mind to create the life you want.